Alright, this is going to be a quick video on how to use Office Lens to take pictures of your assignments, exams, and quizzes and easily combine those into a single PDF document that'll make it much easier for me to grade and organize. I have an iPhone, hopefully the Android works similarly. I'm going to click on the Office Lens app. Alright, so when you first open it, it's automatically ready to start scanning. And so you want to sort of take the picture so that the the orange outline is over what you want to scan, and then click that white and orange circle on the bottom middle. All right, so it's done a good job of capturing my image. I can clearly see what I've written, so I like what I see. So I'll click because I have multiple pages. I don't want to click done on the bottom left. I want to click add new to add another page. All right, so now I can take the picture of my second page of my work. And again, it's done a good job of capturing everything that I wanted to see. I have a third page that I want to take a picture of, so I'll click add new again. All right, it's collected that page. This is the last one that I need, so I can click done. And now I have some options on what I want to do with it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to save it to a PDF. And I'm going to save it to my phone storage. And so I had previously done a test, but this is the new one that I've created. And so now, if I want to send that to someone, I can go ahead and click on it. I can check. It's got the 3 pages that I scanned in. And on the top right, there's the square with the arrow pointing up. I can click on that. And I can use that to either use my mail application, and I can send it to myself, and so that I can easily access it from my laptop and then upload it to D2L, which would be my preference. If you have some trouble with that, then you can go ahead and email it to me directly. But see if you can upload it to D2L first, because that'll make it a little bit easier for me to sort of organize and grade everything. But if you have any problems or D2L is giving you any trouble, don't hesitate to go ahead and just email it to me. And so that's the end of this quick Office Lens demonstration.